Hey kiddo, you wanna come here? There you go. It'll get easier once you get off the carpet. Come on. You can do it. Come on. Keep going. Yeah. Bring it. Come on. Come on. There you go. That's how you get around, isn't it? You're good at scooting like that, aren't you? Hey. Oh, yeah, there you go. Nah, I just cleaned that. Bonk. Okay, let's say bye-bye now.